Okay. Today we will talk about vectors. Okay. And I will mainly talk about the previous year questions and what you need to know for your exam. See, the resultant of vector, let us say there are two vectors A and B, and the resultant of that vector will be equal to R equal to root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Similarly, the difference between those two vectors, it is given by root of A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. So this is two things that you need to know. And let us say there are two vectors and they are having same magnitude. Then R will be equal to 2A cos theta by 2 and the difference will be equal to 2A sin theta by 2. This is one thing that you need to know, sir. Then how do these resultant and difference vary at different angles like 0, 60, 120 and 180, let us say. So now what is the resultant and what is the difference? Now resultant, as I told, resultant is nothing but 2A cos theta by 2. If theta value is 0, cos value will become 1. So at 0 degrees, resultant will be equal to 2A. Similarly, for difference, it is 2A sin theta by 2. If theta value is 0, sin 0 is 0. So this entire thing will become 0. Now take the case of 60. So if theta value is 60, this will become 2A cos 30 degrees. You already know the value of cos 30, that is root 3 by 2. So you will be getting root 3 times A. And when it comes to here, 2A into sin 60 by 2, that is sin 30 degrees. So this is 2A into 1 by 2. This will be equal to A. Next, take the case of 90 degrees. So if theta value is 90 degrees, then this will be 2A cos 45. That is root 2 times A. So similarly here also this will be root 2 times A. See, the resultant and the difference, they will be same if theta value is 90 degrees. This question was asked in NEET for 3 times, sir. At what angle the resultant and difference will be equal to each other. Now take the case of 120 degrees. So this is 2A cos 60 degrees, that is nothing but A. And this is 2A sin 60 degrees, that is nothing but 2A into root 3 by 2, that is equals to root 3 times A. 180 degrees you are taking, sir, in the next case. So that is 2A cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. Here sin 90 you will get sin 90 into sin 90 is 1. 1 into 2A is 2A. All you need to do is the reversal of resultant will give you the difference, sir. You just need to reverse this thing. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And always remember the resultant. It is less than or equal to the difference between the two vectors. I mean, it is greater than or equal to the difference between the vectors and it is less than or equal to the sum of those vectors. And if I have to talk about magnitude, let us say there is some vector A. If I have to talk about magnitude of A, so magnitude of A would be root of ax square plus ay square plus az square. Okay. Now let us do one problem. Three forces 2i plus 2j cap, 2i cap minus 2j cap, and minus 4i cap plus k cap. There are three forces. Now you need to tell in which direction the object will move along, or in which axis the object will move along. See, let us say this is F1, this is F2, and this is F3. So F1 is basically, I want to find the force, total force. Force will be, see, 2i plus 2i minus 4i. So that is 0i cap, 2j minus 2j, that is 0j cap, plus k cap. So this is my resultant force, sir. Correct? So k cap means it will move along which axis, sir? This is force. This is F1. This is F2. Now it is moving along this axis. Sorry. This is Fx. This is Fy. And this is Fz. So it is moving along Fz axis. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Ramlal moves 8 meters north and 6 meters west, and then climbs on 10 meters vertical pole. Now, first of all, he is going in north direction, sir, for 8 meters. And then he is moving west and traveling for 6 meters. And from there, vertical means he is going in this direction for 10 meters. Now, what will be the displacement? I need to find the displacement, sir. So, displacement will be 8i cap minus 6j cap plus 10k cap. Correct, sir? See, if I have to represent in terms of axis, this is I cap, this is minus I cap, this is J cap, this is minus J cap, this is K cap, and this is minus K cap. Correct, sir? Right? That is how I will represent his, motion, movement. So what will be the displacement now? Root of 8 square plus 6 square plus 10 square. Correct? So this is root of 64 plus 36 plus 100 root 200, that is equals to 10 root 2, right? That is the displacement, sir. Any doubts regarding this, sir?
No doubt, sir.
Next question. Two vectors A and B are there such that A plus B is equals to resultant, and A equals to B equals to magnitude of the R. Then angle between the vector. Sir, please observe here, sir. They are telling that A equals to B equals to R. So what is R actually? R is 2A cos theta by 2 resultant. So now they are telling that this is equals to A. That means cos theta by 2 is equals to A by 2A. A will get cancelled out. Cos theta by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. So cos theta is 1 by 2 at cos 60 degrees. So theta by 2 equals to 60 degrees. So theta will be equal to 120 degrees. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next question, sir. Two vectors A and B such that A plus B equals to R and A square plus B square equals to R square, and A and B also satisfy the condition the magnitude of A plus B equals to magnitude of the difference. Then angle between A and B is dash. See, just now in the beginning board I discussed, resultant and difference will be equal to each other at 90 degrees, right? See, this is resultant, this is difference. So theta value will be equal to 90 degrees. Clear? Sir?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah. So the same question was asked, sir, in 4 years. In 2016, 2006, 1996, and 1991. Same question. The question is one more method of asking. If the magnitude of sum of two vectors is equals to magnitude of difference of two vectors, then angle between those two vectors is equals to dash 90 degrees. Simple, sir. If you want me to show, I will show, sir. For example, take the case of A plus B equals to A minus B. What is R, sir, in general? A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. See, theta is 90. Only then the resultant will be equal to root of A square plus B square plus 2AB. That means this is root of A plus B whole square. That means it is nothing but A plus B. Similarly, take the case of difference. Root of A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. That is difference. So this will be root of A minus B whole square. That is nothing but a minus b. Right, sir? Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
One more question. If magnitude of a plus b is equals to magnitude of a plus magnitude of b, then angle between a and b will be dash. Please observe, sir. This is the magnitude. This is the thing, sir. So what is r? R is nothing but a plus b. Correct? This is nothing but resultant. Correct, sir? The resultant is a plus b. When will resultant be a plus b, sir? What is actual
Angle
formula
is equal
for
to
resultant? Root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Correct? Am I right, sir?
yes, sir.
So when will this be equal to a plus b? Only if I am able to write this as a plus b whole square. When can I write this as a plus b whole square? If it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So that means this cos theta should not be there. That means cos theta value should be equal to cos 0 degrees. So cos 0 is 1. So this will become 2ab now. So I will cancel out and resultant will become a plus b. So the angle between them is 0 degrees. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Velocity of Kamal at t is equals to 4 seconds is 10 meters per second along east. At t is equals to 10 seconds, he is moving with speed 20 meters per second along south. Find change in velocity. See, very clearly they told at 4 seconds is going in east direction. If it is in east, sir, see, take the direction, sir. This is east direction, sir. What is this, sir? I cap. So I can say Vi is equals to 10 meters per second I cap, sir. Correct, sir? That is nothing but 10 I cap. Correct? And they are telling that he is moving 20 meters along south direction. Sir, this is J cap, sir. That means this is minus J cap, sir. So south, that will be minus 20 J cap. You agree with me, sir? Change in velocity. Change in velocity is given by final velocity minus initial velocity. Final velocity is minus 20 J cap. Initial velocity is 10 cap. Minus 10 I cap. Now, what will be the direction in which he is moving and what will be the resultant value? First of all, I will take the resultant value. What will be the resultant value, sir? Root of 20 square plus 10 square, that is root 500. That is nothing but root 500 is nothing but what, sir? 10 root 5. And in which direction, sir? See, very clearly, this is minus 20j minus 10i. Correct, sir? Am I right, sir?
Yes, sir.
That means if I have to say this is minus I cap, sir, and this is minus j cap, sir. So he is traveling between these two. Correct? What direction is this, sir?
J cap,
Which
sir.
direction? Yeah.
J cap,
What?
sir.
What direction is this?
Z axis.
Direction. This is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. What direction is this?
Southwest.
Southwest, right? So is change in velocity will be 10 root 5 in the direction of southwest. Okay, clear? Right, take one more question. Velocity of charge particle is 3I cap minus 4J cap, and acceleration A is equals to alpha I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap in a magnetic field. Find the value of alpha. Sir, in magnetic field, sir, velocity is perpendicular to acceleration. Sir. That means if I have to find, if I am telling that they are two perpendicular, I can find dot product, sir. So V dot A will be equal to 0. That means what will happen, sir? 3 alpha minus 12 plus 0 will be equal to 0. 3 alpha equals to 12. Alpha value will be equal to 4. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And you know how to do cross product, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll just reiterate once again. Dot product. If we are taking dot product, let us say there is one vector A and another vector B. I am trying to do A dot B. Then it will be AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ, sir. And let us talk about cross product. So if I am trying to talk about cross product, let us say R cross F. Let us say I am trying to find some torque. So this is given by I, J, K, Rx, Ry, Rz, Fx, Fy and Fz. So what will I be doing here now? So first take I cap and then take Ry, Fz minus Rz, Fy, right? Then what we will do, sir? Minus J cap Rx, Fz minus Rz, Fx plus K cap Rx, Fy minus Ry, Fx. So this will be the cross product, or you can say the torque. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is about vectors, sir. Yesterday I have sent 2 sheets. Kindly work out those 2 sheets and try to find the answers for units and dimensions and kinematics. We will have a discussion in the next class. And I will talk about the other questions also with respect to units and dimensions in the next class. Thank you. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, sir.